Hello everyone, this is Farzan here from Language Academy with another video today. Guys, in this video, I will be discussing an important aspect of our speaking section which we have seen that a lot of students nowadays especially, they are struggling over there. That is your repeat sentence. Now, repeat sentence, as you most of you already know by now, that repeat sentence is the second most important task of your whole PTE exam. So it doesn't matter how much score you're looking for, whether you're looking to get 6 each, 7 each, or even 8 each, you have to make sure that your repeat sentences are actually good. Nowadays, what we have seen is, since that new pattern, a lot of students, they are struggling in their repeat sentences. What they're saying is either they're getting some sentences which are a bit fast, or they are getting some sentences which are a bit long. Still, don't worry about that. Remember one thing, guys, which I have seen like teaching so many students, that speaking is all about your confidence level. You have to be very confident when you are doing your speaking, especially in your repeat sentences, because remember that everything will be happening very quickly in your repeat sentence. So you have to be on your toes and you have to be very confident with every single question which you are getting. Yes, you will get some difficult questions as well. Yes, you will get some maybe difficult accents or a lengthy sentence or something like that. Stick to the basics, stick to whatever process you are following, just follow that. For example, let's say if you are memorizing and repeating it, try to memorize at least half of the sentence and try to speak as fluently as you can. Don't do like or anything like this. Just make sure that everything, whatever you are saying, it has to be in a flow. If you are writing initials, write whatever you can and then just repeat it with confidence, okay? Don't lose your confidence level for a single second, even if it is a long sentence. Try to gain 50% of the content, because if your 50% of the content is there, easily you are going to get 2 points in the content, and rest is all about your fluency and pronunciation, okay? And then you can cover up these points for the easy ones. So in your repeat sentences, just make sure that for your easy sentences, get all of it correct. Don't make even a single mistake. And for the long sentences, just make sure that you are getting at least 50% of the content right, and then just make sure that you are focusing on the fluency and your pronunciation. Don't get scared of repeat sentences. Sometimes what happens is, let's say you have just started the exam, you are already very nervous. The very first repeat sentence was like 16 words long. Now your confidence level is shaken. Now in the easy ones as well, you will start making mistakes, and that is where your exam will go downhill. Okay, so do not do that. Be very confident in your repeat sentences. Yes, you will get some difficult ones, but be very confident about it. Okay, you know the basics, you know all the rules, you know your preparation, you have prepared well. So just go with that, go with this confidence level, and then try to approach your repeat sentence like this. Try to gain at least 50% of the content. Remember something from the beginning, remember something from the end, combine it together, but do not let it impact your oral fluency. If you do like this, there is no way you won't be able to get your score. Thanks for watching this video. I will be back with some more videos like this that would be helpful for you in order to get your desired score. Thank you so much.